Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's February 9th and I get my onion plant from Dixondale Farm every year. And they came in a couple of days ago, so it's time to be getting the onion plants in the ground. I had this area covered in cardboard to try and get the weeds down. That's some pretty nice looking soil there. Tools, and we'll be right back. I'm going to want to put a little fertilizer in here because it's been sitting here for a couple of months. And this is just a basic organic polytone or plant tone. Little magnesium added to it. The onions get going, we'll put in a little more specific fertilizer for them. Then we're going to give this a quick rake in. Oh, this soil is just beautiful stuff here. I picked up a couple of bales of hay at Home Depot, so I'm going to use those for mulch. Things I hate about using hay for mulch, it's a great mulch, but you know, can you imagine if you had the onions planted already? How would you ever get them in there? How would you ever get the mulch to keep from burying your plants? So what I've kind of gone to is put the mulch down first. Once you get the mulch down, then you can put your onion plants in, and it's easy to find where the dirt is, so it's just down. So much easier to keep your plants from being all smashed down with the mulch if you put the mulch down first. Here's what one of the bunches look like from Dixondale Farm. I'll get a little tag, says it's the yellow grain X, which is like the Vidalia kind. And these are some nice looking plants in here, strapped together with a rubber band. So I'm going to take the rubber band off. Then we're going to start planting. We're going to plant them about 4 inches apart. A little handful here to work with. Rest right there. Grab one, reach down, find the dirt, squeeze it in. Now, I'll only do the larger plants this way. The smaller ones I'm probably going to put in pots. Containers. See how they do. Alright, I brought this tub up and I got some little ones left. I think I'll plant them in this tub. Same thing, it's potting mix. Put the wheat straw on top. I ordered 2 of these bundles, and this is the last of the first bundle. So how cool is that? I got this much left again. I think I'm gonna go snitch some little ones out. Enough. Get about 6 or 8 to finish that section out. And that'll be really good. Alright, so there we are. Here's my $3 Goodwill tub. Planted up with the small onions. Then there's 3 feet by 8 feet planted up with the rest. And I've got another whole bunch to do that I'll try and get planted tomorrow. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. It is February 9th. Not supposed to be freezing weather until maybe next Monday. So we're going to get these in, get the onions started. So we're zone 7 something or other, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Onion planting time. Thank you for watching. Alright, it's the next day. It's now Thursday the 10th. If you remember yesterday we did the straw and planted the onions up in there. Now I've cleared away the mulch, put in roughly a 5-15-5 fertilizer in here and raked it in. Now I'm going to spread my mulch out, my straw. When I get all the straw down, I'm going to plant the rest of these onions. Remember, I did one of my two sections. Here's the other one. And as a reminder, these came from Dixondale Farms in Texas. Same place that South Georgia gets all their Vidalia onion starts. That's what these are. That's why these are such incredibly good onions. I had left this marker here to show where I finished. So we're going to start up right here. Same process, stick your finger in, stick the onion in about 4 inches apart, squeeze it with the other 2 fingers. Move on to the next one. Your soil's been nice and prepared, it's not any problem sticking in with your finger. Otherwise you may want to use a little stick or some little divot device to make you a hole. Bear in mind, if you have to go to a lot of effort to make a hole, your onion is going to have a lot of trouble making a big bulb. sure your soil is loose. Down in South Georgia, the soil is mostly sand. Tomatoes don't, the onions don't have any problem coming up with a room to spread out. It's about 60 degrees. Should be high 30s tonight. Should be some pretty good temperatures for getting these guys started. And there it is, all finished. Got the straw in, 2 bundles of onion plants. That's roughly a 3-foot by, I guess, close to 16-foot row. Looking forward to eating those onions. This is David at Grow and Eat This. It's hard to believe it's 3 o'clock and the sun's going down already. It's getting cold. Thank you for watching.